Welcome to iCenter. iCenter is a secure online tool that provides visibility to asset operational and utilization data with 24/7 access. To find information about equipment fleet in your organization, click on All My Facilities tab on the right top corner. You will see a drop-down menu. You can view equipment fleet in a specific facility or choose to see the entire fleet by clicking on Open in All My Facilities. You will see a series of tiles on the iCenter page that provide you with an overview and quick access to ongoing service activities. You can also access utilization reports for your connected imaging equipment. The Equipment Grid View provides a comprehensive list of GE inventory and details about each asset. While in the Grid View, you can search for a specific equipment and by clicking on the search result, access its details like availability, planned maintenance, and service coverage. The equipment service history can be viewed under the Activity tab. The Data Provided tab can be filtered based on the type of service activity or service request status. You can view specific service request details, technical debrief by GE Field Service Engineer, parts changed, as well as attached documents. The Report menu allows you to launch summary reports about maintenance and service activity, as well as utilization reports for connected imaging equipment. These reports provide trends and analytics that help you optimize usage of your assets. In case you need assistance, you can contact support or access the online iCenter Help Center.